So you're in the market for a ceiling fan? Let's talk about this Parrot Uncle ceiling fan that I'm going to be unboxing for you today. I'm out in the garage right now. We're going to take it out of the box. We're going to assemble it, and then I'm going to bring it inside and then show you how to install it in my office. So let's see what's inside, break it down, put it together, and get it installed. So there you have it. There's everything that was in the box. Now it's time to assemble this fan. So now the fan is assembled. Let's get it installed on the ceiling in my office. And there you have it. Parrot Uncle ceiling fan is installed. The quality was great, the packaging was done well, and the assembly was a breeze. As you could see throughout the assembly, I really didn't take too long on every step to get that ceiling fan out of the box, assembled, and installed in my office. Now, it does come with the remote. You can put the remote on a little bracket on the wall so you could never lose the remote. But the nice thing about it is you could change it between warm, cool tone, and then back to warm tone, and then also change the brightness that is on the remote itself. Now there's also 6 different fan speeds that you could use. Simply turn the fan on and then select which fan speed you would like to have it. Overall, this is a really great product, and I think you guys are going to enjoy it. So go out, grab your Parrot Uncle ceiling fan today. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.